Machita Namakhotman. It's match night, Kaizer Chiefs at home to Sekhukhune United, FNB Stadium under the lights, 7:30 p.m. kickoff. It's a top table game. Kaizer Chiefs can go back on the top of the table. Bazoba phezu kwetafile if they win this game. Bazoma phezu kwetafile ngenyawo. Kaizer Chiefs, Sekhukhune United. Kaizer Chiefs, if they grab 3 points against Sekhukhune United, are going to be back on the top of the table with 2-point lead above the Sundowns. Kaizer Chiefs might go on 16 points and then Sundowns are going to be in 14 points. But work has to be done against Sekhukhune United, a top team. So far, Kaizer Chiefs unbeaten. Clean Kaizer Chiefs, ihlambile. 5 games, 4 wins and 1 draw. Sekhukhune United, same record now. Machita hlambile, clean. 5 games played, 4 wins and 1 draw. In this video, it's a business starting lineup. Coach Nazardine Napi azosibopha against Sekhukhune United. I'm not going to go with the traditional starting lineup prediction. Okay, the Kalanga goalkeeper, right back, left back. Instead, I'm going to start with the showcase selections. But ichambile, the players that pick themselves starting 11. First one is the showcase starting 11. Ayilakazisi, Ayibuzisi is going to be in the starting 11. Usibongiseni Mthetho. Can you believe it? Usibongiseni Mthetho Bafethu has become an important player Kaizer Chiefs this season. Izabanguye pa in the middle of the park is a number 6 Mqeni. Mthetho Bafethu is a big case. Mthetho, interesting the way things have changed for Umchita. In the past few weeks, Mthetho, I did a couple of videos in this channel talking about Utabo Tele, who was playing as the number 6 for Kaizer Chiefs. I spoke about yena Umchita basayithini indaba yakhe and Coach Nazardine Napi, how he was not fitting into game model Coach Nazardine Napi. How is it to have changed this season? Mthetho has become one of the key players for Kaizer Chiefs suddenly. And I'm going to explain why. Mthetho has become one of the key players Sistiko this season for Unapi. And I'm going to explain why Umchita has become Sistiko. And future Katabo Tele, midfielder Kaizer Chiefs Bafethu is questionable. Watch the space Bafethu. So basically, Coach Nazardine Napi arrived to South Africa with a game model, with a game plan, but this is how he plays football. This is how he's been playing football. His style sakhe when he arrived here in South Africa. And eso style, the game model Kanabi had a very key player partner in the holding midfield position, number 6 position, game model. Unapi did not play with a defensive midfielder. Kukho defensive midfielders bafethu ne bekho holding midfielders, and holding midfielders zibakho in the way you play as a coach, where you dominate a ball, you always have the ball. Therefore, you don't need much of a defensive midfielder. If uyayibukela English Premier League, uyayibukela Manchester City, Pep Guardiola player ekuthiwa nguRodri. uRodri are defensive midfielder, a holding midfielder because of the style of play. He doesn't defend, he holds the ball, he holds possession, he controls, he's the heartbeat of a team. Pep Guardiola had the same player in Barcelona, the legendary Busquets. Coach Nazardine Napi was sure and 100% about that story. By story sake, that is how he plays football. That is how his football and style should be played, with a holding midfielder, not a defensive midfielder. Until he learned, and then wafika Betway Premiership. Betway Premiership had other ideas, had another way of playing football, had a different story, Betway Premiership. And as most coaches will tell you, worldwide football, but when you move to different leagues, you must adapt the way udlala ngayo to the league. Unapi fundile and he has understood and has adapted. By Betway Premiership is a very transition heavy league. Tetukuthini lo way it's by sejonga style, the nature of football, which is different leagues. Betway Premiership is different to many other leagues in Africa and worldwide. It's a league in a transition, a heavy. Betway Premiership, London Tetukuthini lo way. What does that mean exactly? It's got twice a transition heavy league. Betway Premiership, a league you buy a bola, idlala at speed. But if you attack young up and team attack young up, which is exactly transition. But say one team is attacking and other team is attacking, almost like counter attack, the old traditional way. When your name it is on counter attack, but in modern football, in modern terms, we try to say transition. Betway Premiership, ziyale, and at high speed, and we ain't pay your foot. If you say go to other leagues, as leagues, style nebhola is more controlled and more slower. Ne-build-ups akhona is more slower. About okay, jonga i-possession yabanjwa and say teams zihlala structure. Betway Premiership izinto zenzeka a lot faster. Therefore, Unapi ke ngoku i-game model yakhe khange kwazi ukuse ufita for that. Betway Premiership It's hard ke lo because kusejonga i-pace i-high and you can't play with a holding midfielder. You have to play with i-player defensive kwenzela kuseyintoni igade eza transitions, which is why Umthetho has been playing. Kaizer Chiefs have been doing well so far. So unapi uchinche style and Umthetho has become a key player. If ujonga top teams of Betway Premiership, almost the only team, but I want to make example with the top teams. The top teams in Betway Premiership, you look at the Sundowns and you look at Orlando Pirates. Eza teams ezo, Stellenbosch, eza teams ezo, zine players as defensive, zine defensive midfielders. But zona defensive midfielders zazo zina something extra, zina more, which is why Umthetho is short-term solution. Because Umthetho Grand is a great defender in midfield, but he doesn't have more. Modern football, again, Betway Premiership. That's why Sundowns so special again because defensive midfielder yayo uThego Mokoena. Mokoena is a defender in midfield, but Mokoena uyakwazi udlala out. Uyakwazi contribute to attack. Uyakwazi attacker ispace, uyakwazi create i-play. Orlando Pirates same. If ujonga uMakaula i-defensive midfield, defender in midfield. And then uMakaula uyakwazi create i-play, uyakwazi player out. And Jose Ribeiro wamlanda umjita ngoJanuary 2 seasons ago kwaMazulu. And then midfield the Pirates umjita wa transformer. Same thing ku player dlala Orlando Pirates, which is uSihle Nduli. Sihle Nduli uyaqopha umjita ne. He's a defender in midfield, but uNduli knows how to play out. Unazi short passes, unazi medium pass, unazi i-long pass diagonally, unazi straight up. From that defensive midfield position, uyakwazi umjita ufumana ilawe i-right wing as a Pirates, i-left wing as a Pirates, uyakwazi ufumana number 10 wakhe, ukwazi ufumana i-strike ezikwazi ukwenza i-runs. Umokoena uyakwazi ukwenza like Sundowns, obviously. Like uMakaula iPirates bekwazi uyenza la way, plus Obas even i-second option from Mokoena, bathusi Obas i-defender midfield umjita, but umjita uyakwazi player out, uyakwazi create play. Nagi uMakaula isibanchilo. So Kaizer Chiefs Umthetho is a defender in midfield, uyakwazi ujonga the transitions ziheavy ka Betway Premiership. Umthetho uyakwazi ugada the transitions ziheavy ka Betway Premiership, but Umthetho akwazi player out umjita. That's why Kaizer Chiefs try jonga isafuna number 6 nangoku kuba isefuna number 6 okwazi ukwenza zoyi two ways away, but you know how to defend and you know how to play out. At this moment Kaizer Chiefs Umthetho is a regular, but umjita is short-term solution, a very long-term solution. Kaizer Chiefs is why I try to u6 before transfer window ivale. Say if una umjita udlala ePortugal, but saying ngathi akazokwazi umthola this season umjita. Izamthola it seems ngoba January kanye next season. Ubani lo uSiphephelo Sithole udlala Bafana Bafana. But at this moment Kaizer Chiefs akwazi umfumana kanye kusezafumana in alternative maybe before ivale ilawe transfer window ye-22nd yale nyanga uSeptember sekhona isikhathi. So ilonto ke umthetho odlala bafethu, but umjita ngoku is only a short-term solution because Betway Premiership funeka ube na something extra, but uyi-defender you also know how to play out. And uzawubona umthetho akazi udlala that much xa Kaizer Chiefs iqala like CAF Confederation Cup I think next week, because kwi-CAF I would rely that much. I would think it's defender by midfield ka-CAF ngoba noni i-transition azikho heavy. Eza teams odlala nazo ngapha azukwazi uqoqoboza attack nawe nge-high pace quickly. Alwe ayizukwenzeka that much CAF Confederation Cup, which is why uzobona umthetho ungazudlala that much. Kaizer Chiefs akwazi udlala ngo-8-2 phana. Maybe kusesabona uDlovu noMabobo bedlala baqala amajita noNgcobo okanye kusenodlovu baqale, because noni awumdingela caretaker pa awudingi sewutixa pha midfield. And so far kwezi games idlalileyo there's only a few players adlale more minutes than yena. Brandon Peterson, Thabiso Monyane, uLilepo plus no-Iñiacho Miguel, i-players adlale more minutes than umthetho so far kule season. So umjita yayibona bakutheni bafethu, so nguye i-short pick central midfield number 6 both defensive midfield apha kule lineup ngichaza ngayo apha. And then in short pick obviously Brandon Peterson umjita. At this moment umjita gloves Kaizer Chiefs zezakhe umjita. And then the rest of the lineup bafethu central defense uback Eddie McCarthy back in the lineup Cangwakhe leader Kaizer Chiefs isoja lase Angola uIñiacho Miguel. And then right back and left back zabakhi apha kule game bafethu because iSekhukhune United Shopop izobala nge-transitions apha kule game. uThabiso Monyane uzostarta plus noPaseka Mako bazotestwa amajita. FNB elabala liwide basejonga ispaces zizoba khona. Then Emqeni isibanchilo ukhona umthetho plus Cangwakhe kuzawustarta uSipho Sihle Ndlovu. Uzoba key uNdlovu one of the key attributes zakhe ezithi umsayinile i-runner la tsotsi bafethu. imidfielder ephangelayo ebaleni. Ezinye players zadlala engceni but iseleya iyaphangela engceni. Sprinter into channels from central midfield. Sprinter into the left channel, the right channel. La way yenza kuthiwa into ethiwa overloads as a way kusetshonga full back isekhona United izavele ukuthi gqi nanku umonyane kusewupusha up umonyane seyoverlapper and then kusebe khona lilepo right wing and then sekuthi gqile ngidlovu sesprinter and then sele play nebhola iswe ngumdu izaba options mosmane sena defender ezonxila kuba kusejonga nanku kuse ulanduze kuse umonyane nanku umdu jonga nanku umonyane nanku lilepo and then sekuthi gqina le ngumdlovu ke ngosesprinter ngoba semthi na ability and uyasibhana futhi which is a key player Kaizer Chiefs and especially kule big pitch zodlala kuye FNB Stadium. And then kuse emasidini izaba ngulilepo umuntu kuse ukwazi ukhatha in ascore igoal sescore igoal nje so far le season and then sengapha izaba ngupule mode akabikho available vele pay. Then kuse in news eziphuma Vandag bafile thwa khanyisa mayo akabikho available akayitholi i-papers zakhe and then kuse i-papers athethwa ngazo apha in this case ngoba kuse umayo lewe umjida yi-local ne but kuse wenze international transfer umjida ngoba sebedlala kwenye team kwenye league kwenye country so therefore call yethu ITC umjida akayitholi i-ITC yakhe but kuse update ya Monday lena so kuse umjida is possible basejonga ngayithola later Vandag okanye kuse sometime ngomso before 7:30 so maybe ngayithola kuse lewe yakhe but as things stand akayitholi umayo akabikho available but I think umayo noma available bafika ngayithola lewe yakhe I think uzoqala ebenchini next umjida angene as a sub otherwise say fitness ikhona umayo uyothola i-preseason negrand KCR Belouizdad Algeria so kuse umjida uzoba ngu-plug and play and then central attacking midfielder number 10 uzostart again izaba sengumduduzi Shabalala umchana useforming le season uqala igrand season yakhe and nqoba number 7 ngoku season yakhe umchana bafana international ngoku well done to umduduzi Shabalala izaba nguye startayo phaki number 10 position then center forward uzoqala uWandile Duba again it's a big pitch FNB Stadium and kuse uDuba uzoba nazo spaces noba isekhona United ingaba ne deep block kangakanani kuse i-defend deep ibabeka ibus FNB la pitch ihroti jo sezingabiki spaces and kuse ulanduze uDuba iyona striker seKaizer Chiefs ezikwazi ukushaya i-runs si-mobile ukwenza overloads naye le out izokwazi kuse udraga i-defender sekhona United kuba kuse umobile umchana une-energy uzokwazi kuse ukwenza i-runs into i-channel yaziphinde se-disruptor i-defense sekhona United ngoba kuse bazathi bajonge ulanduze kuse uDuba wenza i-run into left channel nanku umodi ngapha nanku umduna kuse wenza enye i-run Kaizer Chiefs sekwazi ucreate opportunities so uyafuna istrike esinje ya ulawe Flavio Silva which is a score goal against Golden Arrows umjida angangena second half xa sekudala sekhona United inqaphile uleqa uDuba and then kuse emasidino ezibanchile kuse okay ngulilope i-right and then se-left bengumodi number 10 ngumdu and then emqeni umthetho plus nodlovu mabu I think uzostart ebenchini then say full backs uMarco Paseka Marco plus noThabiso Monyane central defense uMcCarthy plus no Miguel goalkeeper uBrandon Peterson nithini bafithe ngale line up sithini zim line up ngcola phe comments bafethu nedrop ezile line up Kaizer Chiefs Tuesday night ngomso 7:30 FNB Stadium sekhona United visitele Kaizer Chiefs moja bafethu ngale balalo support channel shaye ulike okanye ife qala dibana channel ushaye usubscribe moja bafethu